T-Mobile routers, especially 5G home internet gateways like the Alcatel Linksys TM501 or Arcadian models, often shut down due to three main issues: overheating, power supply unit problems, or the auto power off feature. Overheating happens because these routers generate significant heat, especially in warm environments or during heavy use like 4K streaming. Faulty power supply units can also cause shutdowns by failing to provide stable power. The auto power off is a built-in safety feature, but it can activate incorrectly. Addressing these issues directly resolves most unexpected shutdowns. As of 2025, T-Mobile routers have been improved to fix these issues. First, ensure your router has adequate ventilation, at least 6 inches of clear space around it. If overheating is the issue, try using a cooling pad or moving the router to a cooler location. Next, check the PSU for any signs of damage, like bulging capacitors. If faulty, replace it with a certified T-Mobile PSU, costing around $20 to $30. Lastly, access your router's admin panel, usually at 192.168.1.1, and disable the auto power off feature in the advanced settings. Also, keep your router's firmware updated as T-Mobile releases updates to improve thermal management and prevent unintended shutdowns. If problems persist, consider contacting T-Mobile for a replacement, especially if your router is under warranty.